Is it too early to start scarifying? Is it too early to scarify my lawn? When can I seed my lawn? When can I top dress my lawn? All these questions. Guys, I'm going to help you out. Right, let's look at your lawns at the moment. Let's look at what is happening. We are having temperatures of around 10 or 11 or even 12 degrees. And as low as 7 degrees. We are having very little frost where I am, anyway. Don't know where you are, if they're having frost, but we're having very little frost. This means if you put some seeds down now, they're going to germinate. They are actually going to germinate and they're going to take. But if you get a frost within the next 2 to 3 or 4 weeks after you put the seed down, there's a good chance that seed's going to get killed off, and that is the problem at the moment. But the more we go through February, and we are getting fairly close to March, the weather's staying fairly consistent, and we are not really getting any frost, any bad temperatures. So I'm going out on a bit of a limb here and saying yes, yes, yes. Listen, you can do anything you want to your lawn, and it might work, it might not. As long as you're happy to redo bits which don't quite work, if that happens, then you're going to have no problems whatsoever. We've got the temperatures, we've got occasional sunlight, okay? And we're certainly getting plenty of rain at the moment, so it's going to get watered. The only issue is the ground's often wet and soft. Now, it's been soft all through winter because we've not had many deep frosts, but that softness will cause issues if you are just scarifying or just aerating. It's going to churn it up, make it quite muddy. So I would wait for a reasonably dry period if you're going to go over with those. Seeding, like I've just said, go for it. But be aware, there's every chance some of it won't take. Some will, some won't, but there's every little chance. I'm seriously thinking about getting this done very shortly, just to get it out of the way, because I know we've got tons of renovations we've got to get through in spring. So I might actually renovate mine very shortly. So guys, watch this space. Have you got any questions about your particular situation? Pop them in them comments. You know where they are. They're down there. I really want you to do one thing for me. 2. Can you give me 2 things? Please give me one of them. Please click on that subscribe button over there and click the bell notification, because it goes ding and it makes a lovely sound. Right, we'll see you on the next one.